G'day, my name's Jon and I'm an enthusiast. This is why. This is my 2022 i30 Fastback N in shadow grey. I bought it because I've recently retired and I wanted a car that I could drive on the road and also take to have a bit of fun on the track. I've spent the last 20 years doing club motorsport and modifying cars and working on them and building engines, and I don't want to do that anymore. I just want to have fun and have a car that would hopefully fit that bill. Since then, I've put the N performance brake pads in and bought a set of Hankook semi-slicks on another set of rims to use on the track days. And that's all I really intend to do to the car. I love it because Hyundai has done such a fantastic job of putting this car together. I really can't believe how they've done it. I've driven lots of different cars, both standard and modified, and to have a car that you can just push a button and it transforms from a road car into a car that can be driven on the track and have a lot of fun with is just unbelievable. My best driving experience so far has been having the car at a couple of track days, one at Pheasant Wood Circuit and one at Sydney Motorsport Park, and also the drive down to the Bend Motorsport Park for the N Festival. The N was superb at overtaking trucks on the way down. It did it in no time at all. I wasn't really aware of the N Festival until I sort of joined one of the Facebook groups, and it was then that I realised that this whole N community existed, and it's rekindling the enthusiasm for motorsport and driving. And people seem to have lost the interest in driving cars for enjoyment, and I think that it's really an amazing thing that's happening with these N vehicles. If I had one road and one passenger, with me as the passenger, it would be the Sydney Motorsport Park Grand Prix circuit with Jon Newell as the driver, so I could learn something. Well, JB is a legend in Australian motorsport. Anything he gets into, he can drive well, whether it's an open wheeler or a sports car or a sedan, production cars, anything. He's a great all-round driver, and he's always come across to me as a down-to-earth, nice person.